I'm gonna do
shield
fake.
ready,
3, 2,
Garden.
1. This is fake. Yeah. The demon. Okay, ready? Everyone now. Okay, look on the crown. East now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone east now. Then go back. Can someone look in the west side? Can someone look in the west side?
Clear shallow, ah.
Okay. DPS get ready again. Jacket first.
Guys, yung ibang DPS na hindi naman DPS, huwag kayong mag-stack sa jacket.
Okay, ready now on the gate south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone south now. More damage, more kill. A bit faster, a bit faster. We need to be faster. Dita, I need Ditang to hold in the west side, okay? QW. QW in this one now. Again, DPS ready?
Ready,
I will do fake first. I will do fake. Reactive, fake with me. Only reactive will fake. Wait, okay? On me, reactive. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only reactive. Okay, everyone, DPS ready. On the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone is now on the crown. This is big. Full wipe them. Okay, kill one. We kill one. Jacket faster. One more engage, okay? Someone bonking in the west side. Can someone look? Give me information, please. I need one information in the west side.
Broken.
Okay, everyone now. Look east now. Look east. In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Everyone east now. Everyone east. Give me information on the gate in the west side. Can you hold there? Can you hold, please? Give me info in the west. Boys.
Anyone,
I go west.
tank with mic.
Okay.
I will go.
OC now.
I will go.
Okay. OC. Okay, DPS fast engage now. I'm gonna go deep, ah. I'm gonna go deep. Wait lang. Hold lang.
Broken gate. West
Sige lang. Just stall them. Stall them. Hold them. Okay. Stall them, ah. Stay there.
Wala fake ah.
Okay. Fake Royex. Okay, they use rootbound. Okay, deep south. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep south to me now. Just drop. Clerical. Go back. Then
Yeah,
jacket
looking.
fast. Yeah, jacket fast. Keep scouting in the west side. Everyone now, east now. Look now, DPS east in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone east now. More damage in east. Good kill, boys. That's it. We farm them. Let them unleary gear.
Farm them.
Again,
ready.
DPS ready?
Hindi daw.
Ninjax, you need to speak. Fake Royex, reactive fake.
Sige.
Only reactive and Royex in 3, 2, 1. Royex and reactive.
Layoy.
Okay, they go far. They're scared now. They're hesitating. I need info in the east side, west side.
They're baiting you to
They
go
go in.
Just
East side.
be shallow.
They go in.
Okay, everyone now. Fast engage on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fast engage on the crown.
Giga.
They're looking na.
Almost dead. Tanga nung isa. Nag-dive in siya. Jacket again on the sword.
Yo, get ready.
Ready.
Okay, DPS now. Look deep east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep east now. Go
Good.
back. Nice kill. Keep killing them, boys. Keep farming them. This is how we do. No one will die. No, don't go too deep.
We need help on the west,
Yoshi.
please. We need help on the west. We need
Okay,
healers.
Party 2 ready?
Yo, healers on west. Can someone help the west?
Healer. I need some healer. Party 2. Help the west side. Healer. Party 2. Go to west. Info in the west.
Conan, can you go
They
west?
go-
Conan. Can you go west, Conan? Conan and... Wait. Oh yeah, Conan and Alvin, can you go west? Help west side.
They want you to go deep here. Don't go.
Nah.
I want to go deep inside on them. Sheesh.
Tang ina. Angat.
Okay, ready to click out. Ready click out first, okay? We just get back, okay?
Wait.
Can you fake Royex? Can you go fake now? Fake now. East on the choke.
Ayo.
Okay. Go back. Okay,
Matay,
go back now. Everyone shallow on this now. Brawler. 3, 2, 1. E shallow now. More damage.
Yo.
And go back now.
Yo, kasama na.
Go back now. Okay.
Cleanse front.
Nice cleanse. Good job.
Nice one. Kaya na,
If you see us getting CC,
Okay, don't go to deep southeast. Go back. If you are in southeast side, go back. I need one Ditang to look southwest as well, An info in the west side, keep holding there.
In the west.
Ditang,
Around
Ninjax.
Galas on the west side.
I just following
Ninjax,
Gala.
can you click out Ninjax? Click out for a bit, Ninjax.
They going
click
west again, guys. They going west
Okay.
again. Gala.
Okay, hold. Go inside. Go back inside. Let
Pushing
them
west
come.
again. We need some support.
Okay. Okay, come to me west side. Can you come to me west side? Ditang hold east. Follow me.
Hold this,
Occult now. CC them now. Can you CC them in the west side? CC them in the west.
They run.
There.
Okay, they run. Okay, go back.
Yo,
Just stay there,
Bongking
just-
na there eh.
Okay, sige lang. Let them bonk.
Outside of the castle, nagbobong.
Bong
Bong
na
hard.
Yeah, they cannot do anything on that shit. They will just run. Okay.
bait man ka.
Ano
Sige lang,
mag-engage yan?
sige lang.
Wala ring demons yan. Wag kayong
Walang mga defensive yan, man.
full brawl lang yan.
Mga brawl lang yun eh. Okay, go back. Don't go follow. Hold here. They cannot do anything. My DPS get ready, We're gonna go deep, We're gonna go deep. All my heavy mace, CC them. Wait. Let them come a bit.
Back on the west.
Alfin, go back. Lord them a bit here.
They're running the...
Just hold, keep holding there. Get their
Holding,
bonking. Okay, go second floor for now. We stay second floor. They stay second floor. They're just luring us out. Then they bonk on the west side. Okay, if that's what they do, stay here in the second floor.
Hey, let them come, let to us.
Let them come inside.
Wala
Let them
namang
come
magagawa
inside.
sa loob ng mga to. Kung baba
Yes,
ng
yes.
numbers nila.
Let them bonk the first gate, okay? My DPS, get ready. We're gonna engage Salo, Salo southeast over the hold lang. Keep scouting in the west side. Who's scouting in the west? Okay. Be careful, Sojun, careful.
Walang engage yan. Okay.
We welcome them here.
Enemy engage lang.
Ano lang meron yan? One hand mace na may spike.
They splashing it. They all
Sige lang.
dismounted.
Chill lang.
For DA pa rin.
Daddy chill.
Wala to, pre.
4D lang sila. Wala
Oo,
nga.
wala yan.
Dapat tinatanag ko na dito eh.
Dapat di ka na nagpa-OC.
Hindi, kaya nga eh.
Ayun.
Kala ko darating yung Minerva.
Guys, defense content. Mamamatay na to. Lahat na yung galan.
Second
You're
gate on the
bonking?
west broken.
Okay. Come second floor.
All the
Come,
galas
come,
are here.
We all
What the
pick
fuck are
them.
you doing, bro?
Gusto may shallow na eh.
Okay. Come back east side. Okay, can you QW on that guy? Can you QW on that
Yo,
guy?
outbound na already.
Nagpa na?
Okay, DPS get ready now. Click now. Click first floor. Click first floor now. Ready. On the choke.
Guard.
5,
Guard
4,
the rest
3, 2, 1. Just drop on the choke. Everyone drop on the choke.
Yo, enemies
More
looking
damage. Keep holding in the west side, Keep holding in the west. They will go to our back line. All my DPS get ready.
Ready.
Okay, everyone again. Okay,
Okay.
deep south now. We're gonna go deep southeast in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. On me south now. On me now south. Just drop on me. Man, hit me. You need to target me. Some people are
Yo,
missing.
Guardians
Guardloons, clans. and clans. It's okay. Guardloon and clans
You're
only.
good,
They
you're
cannot
good,
do
you're
shit.
good, you're good, you're good.
They cannot do shit. Okay, everyone now. East now. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you wipe them in east? Now?
Malayo.
Okay, go back. Jagat again. Please tell me, medyo mahina yung mic mo, Ninja. I don't know.
Malalim dito. Mas Gox, may malalim dito isang gala.
Saan?
Dito natin sa third gate to. Binupunta na pasok. Malalim na
Okay,
sila.
come to me southwest. Come to me
One,
southwest lang. Come to me
here,
southwest.
please.
Holding now,
Southwest now.
Okay.
Okay, can you occult now. Catch them. Catch that gala. Okay, they're dead. Everyone now, west, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we now crown. Kilis gala. Yummy. Tanginan nyo.
Tangina ng trip ng
Okay,
mga
go back
to.
east again. Let them just keep holding there. Go back east again. We don't open the chest, Don't open the chest. We let them we let them come to us. Don't open the chest yet.
They're going, medyo nag-overextend sila, yung sa southeast,
Don't overextend na, don't go out. Everyone now, go deep east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep east me.
Okay, they're gonna walk in.
Okay, just cleanse it, just cleanse it, just cleanse it, just cleanse it. Then jacket fast. Ninja, step up a bit southeast. Step up a bit. We're gonna go deep south. Royex, come to me south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uminaw south, boys. Uminaw south, boys. Drop everything south. Nag-cleric sila. Okay, jacket fast. Hold lang, hold lang. Don't go inside, Ninja. Stay here. Stay lang, Ninja. Stay lang, stay lang. You don't need to go inside. You don't need to go inside. Tell me cool down. Tell me cool down. Tell me cool down. DPS now. Again. Look south in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Uminaw south, uminaw south, uminaw south.
Yep, guard.
More damage.
Ano kill?
Okay, go back, go back, go back. Medyo ang daming defensive nila, nakagiga ulit. Jacket again. We're gonna go engage isa. I'm gonna do fake. Reactive, fake with me. And Royex, okay?
Wait.
Fake only, fake only with reactive. On me, south. Fake on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is fake. Only reactive. Okay, DPS now. DPS now. DPS in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone drop on the crown now. Crown. Then, get ready to peel. Get ready to peel. We're good.
Walk in sila,
Cleanse it. Just cleanse it. Cycle ninjax. We're ready to counter. In east side. Ready to counter northeast in 5, in 4, 3, 2.
Yo, Gala inside.
One.
Demon.
No.
Nice. Bigay pa Gala.
Okay, nice Gala. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Tell me, is jacket okay?
Ready.
Okay, ready? Look south now. Look southeast. Okay? CC them now. Can you CC them? DPS now. DPS in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Umina. Crown. Okay. Man. Get ready, ha. Get ready. Peel and cleanse. Cleanse now, boys. Cleanse. Good job.
Use your
Good
robe,
soak,
boys.
good soak.
Use your robe.
Use your robe as well. Everyone look south shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow south. Kill south. Ah, man, may DPS. Are you getting...
We're not ready.
Set up people inside. Alam ko
Gala.
Yes.
Iside Gala kan sama na kung iside. Tatlong Gala sa east.
Okay.
Many southeast din ah.
DPS.
Oo. Wait lang.
Ano eh?
Oh, may DPS. Hug the wall ka nga. Northeast, Ninjax. Northeast, hug the wall ka. Dito, hug the wall ka. Diyan ka lang, ha. Walk in now. Walk in. Okay, we're gonna engage deep south now. No, fake south, Royex. With reactive. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now with on. Okay. Come to me west. We're gonna shallow west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only. Kill it shallow. Good.
Putang
Go back.
ginagawa nila, pre.
Go back. Let them regear. Don't open yet. Don't overextend so that you will not die. Jacket.
Ready.
Look for Gala inside, ha.
Ready,
Look for
ready
Gala inside.
Ready daw.
Okay, ready? Come to me southeast. East now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow east. Go back.
Yo, bigay pa inside.
Go back. Cleanse now. Gala inside. Purity.
Yo, West
Giga.
West Gala.
Okay, next one.
Can you heal inside?
Okay, everyone now inside, ha. There's a one inside, oh. Kill this one. QW. Inside one, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. I need info in the west.
Banking west.
They walk in the second floor now.
Okay. Copy that.
Meron din southeast.
Okay, go back inside. We just gonna farm them.
Second gate broken.
Okay, copy that.
Broken.
Okay, copy.
Yo, can you hold them?
Can you hold them?
I can catch one healer.
Yeah, catch him.
Okay, hold.
Hold them. We just need to stay together, ah. We're gonna use the castle.
Already cleric. Draw.
Okay, after this 3, 2, 1. Inside us now.
Ang ina, dalawang shaper.
Back.
Sarap.
Upal ka
Okay,
talaga.
go inside. Go inside.
Many south on ping.
Okay, copy that. Just don't overextend so that no one will die. I need keep scouting in the west side. I need you to keep scouting in the west side.
Enemy.
May mini club sila. Spike, Damnation.
Hold down. Don't go out. Go inside. Let them come inside.
I'll mark the Gala.
They're luring us out so that they can cap in the west side, okay? Keep holding in the west.
Worth it ba tong Purple Castle sa ginagawa nila? What the fuck?
Ilang, para makabawi din tayo. Putang ina, ginagangbang tayo yun.
Baka nakalimutan nyo yung 100 deaths natin sa kanila last time.
Oo. Ang ina nila, ipaparm din natin to. Keep looking in west. Ninjax, get ready, step up now.
Back to 48.
I'll mark the spike green and the
Okay.
gala.
Everyone is shallow. Everyone shallow on this titang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on this guy. Shallow on this guy. Kill this one. Okay, go
Yeah,
back.
be careful.
Go back. Jacket fast. All my DPS, please stay with that. Ano? Okay?
Have, okay.
Guys,
Okay.
don't everyone. Why is everyone stacking on the sword? What the fuck?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Look south now. Look south now. Look south. Deep south ninjax. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now south. On me now south. Just drop. Okay? Kill this one. Go back. Go back.
Sige, they're looking to walk I stop them here.
Go back.
Inside.
Just jacket fast.
Gala.
Good job.
Okay.
Good job.
Yeah.
DPS, get
Pull,
ready.
yeah.
Wait,
Wait, south.
defend.
Okay. Get ready.
He said.
Wait. We're gonna shallow east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow east now. Kill this one on east side.
Cleric.
Go back. Gala inside.
Invest.
They're in west inside.
Nice kill.
They're inside.
Okay, go back inside. Let them come inside nga.
Tingnan ko ang DA nila. Ganun pa din eh.
Hindi.
Can you see them now in the west.
Wala na yung boots.
Okay, kill this guy on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Asan na yun?
Yeah, be careful east.
Here, inside.
Yeah,
Okay, kill this guy. Pusang gala mo putang ina mo.
Pushing sila south.
they're pushing south.
Don't just keep holding in the west side.
Hold lang kami.
Just stay inside.
Sa gate.
What?
Don't go out gate. No one will go out gate. No one will go outside. Come inside. Everyone inside gate.
Can
Everyone
party
inside
engage with Royex? So that we will not be separated. Party
Everyone
engage with-
ready? Everyone ready, ah?
Ready.
Okay.
Gate guards niya na.
Don't go out. No one will go out. They're luring us out. Let them come inside so that we can farm them. No one will die this one. No casualty,
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Not yet.
No casualty. So yeah. So that no casualty, we just keep farming them. Let them come inside until they will be, out of gear anymore. Everyone now, come south. Everyone, ninjax, shallow south. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow south na. Everyone, shallow south. Passing gauge. More damage. Then go back. Get ready to cleanse. In the front. Jacket fast.
Inside west.
Inside west. Okay. Keep checking. Can you see them now? Come to me southwest. Follow me southwest. Are they inside?
Yeah, southeast. Don't over.
Inside.
Don't overextend southeast, ha? CC them now in the west. CC them now. Oh my God, this is 4 people. They're so dead. Come. Kill these 4 people. Allah, run for your life, niggas. QW. Everyone ready on the ground. In 5,
Yo.
4,
One gala inside.
3, 2,
Gala.
1. Inside the bus.
Gala. One gala.
Tangin mo.
Tangin mo.
One gala
Takbo.
Let's galit na.
Keep holding them inside, ha?
Yan yung sa disband di ba? Yan yung yung sa disband na nag-video sa atin sa Yung
Sige, sige, mamatay ka na, putang ina mo. Mapaparm ka namin kayo dito. Tara, balik ulit doon sa loob.
Sige, holding lang kami dito. Wala naman silang magawa dito.
Sige lang, okay lang yan. Wag mo nang i-open para maganahan sila. May mamotivate sila.
Anyone who wins gets
Mamaya,
Yeah.
dito na yung
We give them motivation, boys. Okay, everyone now ready?
Ready.
Look south now, shallow in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow south on me now. Ala, clerical. Nagbaha ang clerical.
Tangin na mo dyan. Sabay ka.
Wala,
Okay, DPS na. Uy, wag mong isabay. Wag mong isabay yung hindi mag-stack yan. Just, wag mong isabay, Just. Nani, all might, your 2D all might. Everyone, southeast na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of them. Ay, sayang. Hindi kayo dun.
Yo, be careful inside.
Just cleanse. Gala inside. 1 demon is enough. Everyone, southeast now. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me now. Hindi tayo makapatay. Ay, wag niyong isabay. Shaper. Walang damage yung isa dyan.
Tangina mo dyan, sumasabay ka.
Just
81
don't.
to. Ayop.
Just don't.
Ah, tingin.
Winawala mo yung damage ng isa. Pusang gala ka.
Tangina mo, bobo mo.
Tangina mo, matatrash talk ka talaga, Jazz.
Tangina mo dyan, solo bomb ka, sumasabay ka
Ubus
sa
na
AP.
guard. Ubus na guard second floor.
Basag na second floor. Come to me west side. No. Come to me southwest again. Come to me southwest. Come to me southwest again. Come to me southwest. Come to me southwest. They're running. CC them now. Allah. Tumatakbo naman yung mga mokong.
Yeah,
Gubak.
I think
Andre,
enemy going
stay there, Andre.
southwest. I think enemy going southwest.
Okay, hold them.
Enemy going southwest. Yeah.
Magpapalit sila.
Hold them.
Ay, di rin southwest ha.
Yeah.
I didn't southwest. Okay, come to me southwest.
Final push sila southwest ha. Final push
Dito na
sila.
sila, dire-diretso sila sa gitna.
Mounted na yung
Dire-diretso.
mga
Oh, sige. Nice. Come to me. We're gonna wipe them inside. This is good. Utangin na nila. Gusto nila magpakamatay sa inside, men.
Yeah,
Gusto nila magpakamatay inside. Follow me. This is a suicide for them, okay? Easy fame. This is dead end for them.
Side for them.
Careful
This is
na.
suicide for them. Okay, everyone ready? North now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone north. Just drop on north. Then go back south, Then go back south. Peel them now. Just peel them south. Keep kiting south. Keep kiting south.
East side. Someone look east side.
Keep kiting south. DPS ready?
Cool down.
DPS ready? North now. Northwest. In 5,
Wait.
4, 3.
CD.
Okay, CD. Okay.
Wait.
Guys, don't brawl them in the north. Don't brawl them in the north. Don't brawl them in the north, okay? Come to me northeast. Northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh my god. Go back. I feel. Go back.
Look west side.
Inside ha.
QW, can you? QW.
West side gala.
QW. Everyone now, northwest. We're gonna go northwest, okay? I know northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Drop northeast. Just drop northeast. Then go back. Peel him now. Peel him. Guardian clans. Cycle jacket. Tell me cooldown.
Ready.
DPS now. North shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Shallow. Drop. Full drop. Drop everything. Then go back now. Peel him now again. Peel him now.
Yung
Let
Lord
me
sa
cool down.
likod, ha? Yung Lord ha.
Oo.
Cool down.
Okay. Lord na ba?
Ay, hindi pa naman.
Check mo lang.
DPS ready. Okay, wait. QW. On this gala in Charabas. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This gala in Charabas.
Nag-blink.
Okay, go back.
Yeah, gusto ko
Lord na ba? Hindi pa.
Di pa. Inside ng
Okay.
Lord Room meron, marami.
Okay. DPS get ready Northeast now. Come to me northeast. Over the wall tayo. North. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. Over the wall.
Deus Cleric,
Just
Deus
drop.
Cleric.
Okay, go back. QW lang. Gala in Charabas ha. QW. Just QW.
That's the tanks.
Tell me.
Yo, big up on the Lord Room.
Ninjax, get ready. Everyone engage on the Lord Room now. In 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on the Lord Room. Drop. Di mo na swell. And peel. Pila. Demon in Shadowbus. Get ready for demon. Get ready demon ha. Gala in Shadowbus. Be careful. Gala in Shadowbus. Again, DPS ready.
Dirago ni.
Ready, DPS.
Okay, come to me west. Northwest now. In 5, 4,
Buccaneer here.
Okay. Can someone loot? Where is Buccaneer?
Yeah, bukan niya
Okay, come to me, Buccaneer. Hold down.
Just now there. Yo, kasama
Gala in Charabas. Can you loot that? Can you try to open?
Ano?
One cat sandwich ha.
Ano?
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In Charabas now. In Charabas, kill.
Patay na.
Just here. Okay, nice. Just hold there, okay?
Lord
Inside,
Room many.
Someone look inside for book ha.
Yeah.
The one day tanks look east side.
Okay, DPS now ready. Shallow northwest again.
Ay, epic.
Shallow west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Minaw crown.
I got
Okay, go back. Keep holding. I need D-tanks to look in east side. One D-tank. Okay, Buccaneer west, it's okay. Just keep holding west.
Lord Room, yung Minerva, full burn.
8 DA cooks, okay?
8 DA, okay, copy that. Just let them. Hold them.
Uy, Battleman down.
Battleman.
Get this guy. Battleman.
Ping.
Rocket
Okay,
League.
everyone, northwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest, drop. Full drop. Then go back now, Go back.
Buccaneer, Bonk.
Buccaneer,
Buccaneer isa, Buccaneer isa.
Okay, just can someone look in the east side? 1D tank, look east.
Yo, just one D tank hold.
Heal.
1D tank only. DPS now, shallow on this D tank, northwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, galay sa labas. Kill, QW.
Nakalas yung isa.
QW in this one. QW. DPS northwest, get ready. Okay, shallow northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow northwest again.
Big, nice.
Nice. Keep looking in the east side ng Buccaneer, ha? Keep looking in Buccaneer.
Looking in,
You should look on Buccaneer.
Brawl,
Because
brawl.
this one, the others will just rig it.
Okay. Everyone now, northwest again.
Ready, DPS.
DPS, na-open na yung chest, no? Northeast on the van. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow, northeast on the van. Northeast van. Drop, more damage. Go back.
Ayaw mo run over tong Buccaneer, Sir Gox.
Wag muna. Huwag nating i-give up.
Okay.
I-hold nyo lang. Ipa-farm muna natin to. Just don't die. Tell me cooldown again.
Unli rigger naman yung kalaban mo sa harap.
Oo.
Double OC
Walang
if you
rigger.
have yung OC nyo, 3 minutes
Sige
na
lang.
lang.
Yo, Rio,
WC. My DPS, get ready. West now, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow west. Drop west. Good.
Nice one.
Putang ina nyo.
Go back.
Nasa narrow gate.
Narrow, okay. Let them. Masasandwich yung enemy nan. Yung kung lungkong.
Magbabanatan yan. Less na gahanod sila.
Everyone now, northwest again. Northwest. Wait. Hold. Go back south. No. Shallow west in 5.
Ready.
3, 2, 1, shallow west. Big west.
Buccaneer, east side of the Lord Room, ha? They're
Okay.
pushing in. They're walking in.
Yeah, it's okay. We're gonna wipe Buccaneer as well. Both of them. Hold.
They nap.
Hold.
They going.
Everyone, northeast, ready? Northeast, ready? Hold south. Go back south. I need one D-Tank to look west. D-Tank look west. Hold for now. Again.
Okay, DPS ready.
Hold.
Ready ka na handhold.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
northeast
nothing,
now.
that's
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast now. This is weak on Buccaneer. Buccaneer, drop. Then go back now. Peel them. Come back south. Jacket fast. Tell me cool down. Northwest shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just follow up drop. Then go back. Then go back.
Lord Room. Full Lord Room.
Go back.
Nice.
Sige lang. Papatayin natin lahat yan, men. Hold. Okay? Ready? I need Ditang to look east. Step up DPS. Northeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Middle now. Big. Nice one. Go back now. Again.
Running east.
Wait. Okay, go. Cut them in suicide. Southeast now, on suicide. Suicide now in 5,
Ready.
4, 3, 2, 1, on suicide now. Yummy.
Oh.
Okay, jacket now. Go back. Tell me cool down. Faster. Keep QW. DPS now inside of us again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just stop everything. Follow up drop.
One ping,
Keep
many.
killing them.
Lord Room.
Keep killing them. Come to me south. Don't go north. Just go south. On Buccaneer. QW in Buccaneer. DPS shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me now.
Wala na
Shallow.
tong Joker.
Okay, go back to Joker now. Oy, they cap it. Go out. Go out now.
Guys.
Out now. Just loot and out. Hold.
Did we open
Loot and out and hold.
Na-open na.
Yeah, we open it.
I opened it.
Okay, it's okay.
Let them take it.
Click now.
It's okay. Just play the content now.
Okay. Mount up now.
People are left behind.
Utang ina mong sarap.
Mount up now.
They're catching.
They're catching. Okay, don't run. Okay, don't run, ha. Tell me if you're dismounted. Dismount. We walk slowly. Walk. We have 26 DA. They cannot do shit. Okay? Keep walking, Ace.
Gala inside.
Okay, gala inside on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gala. Nice.
Patay na.
Kite is now. Peel them. Keep moving east. On the choke. Keep moving. Pass the choke. Keep moving. Keep kiting east. Okay, we stick together, boys. Don't separate, okay? Don't separate. Go northeast on the choke. Northeast on the choke. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Then go north. Keep pass the choke north. Peel them now, dito. Peel, giga. Just giga, boys. Peel them, can you peel them? Peel them, boys. Peel them. Everyone ready on the choke inside of us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boys, inside of us now. Fully drop.
Inside the
Okay, hug the wall northwest. Don't panic, boys. Don't run. Northwest. Please, don't panic. Just trust me. North, hug the wall. Keep going north. DPS, get ready. Shallow inside of us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just strap inside of us. Just keep moving north. Keep moving north. Keep moving north. Keep moving north on the choke. Hold.
Gala.
Come east now. On the Gala east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And Gala inside of us. Kill the Gala. Then go back south. Clans. Go back southwest. Build him now. Go back southwest on the choke. Clans, boys. Everyone inside of us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just trap inside the bus. Then go south. Go kite south. Then go southwest. Don't panic. Go southwest. Kite south and go southwest. Okay, keep kiting. Everyone shallow south inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. Just trap inside of us. Keep kiting.
Gala.
Hold. Keep holding. DPS, get ready. Okay? Hug northwest. Go northwest now. Everyone now. On the choke is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full drop is now. Full drop is.
Saan kayo nag-drum, men?
Okay, go northwest. Go northwest now. Go north. How many DR they? Ditang stop them. We out.
48
Yeah,
lang to.
ditang. What?
48.
Wait, regroup on me. Follow me. Stabilize.
Gam, can you heal me?
Follow me, regroup on me. Okay? Just regroup on me. Follow me.
Heal me.
Too many people dead on us.
Medyo 4DA na yung...
Okay. I mean, shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this guy. Kill this one. Okay, keep going northwest. Okay. Ditang hold him now and then the DPS out. Okay? Just out. DPS out. Ditang peel them. Then out.
Sige.
Ditang peel them, ha? Out. Ditang hold them. Spread now. Spread them, bro. Spread them out. Okay? Spread them out.
Mounted up yung mga ano nila.
Good content.
Yeah, just spread them out. Bail. Just bail. Naubos na yung party 1 ko, men. My bad.
Good content, but we got zombie.